Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are proud to present this Golf TDI Bluemotion GT convertible. The vehicle is in excellent condition, has full service history, have front and rear parking sensors, alloy wheels, again in excellent condition. As mentioned, convertible. We take a look inside the vehicle. Again, the interior is in excellent condition. Steering wheel has integrated controls. You have your audio controls, Bluetooth controls, electric adjustable wing mirrors and front and rear electric windows, automatic headlights, central armrest, in-car entertainment, which allows you to stream your own music from your mobile device, climate control. We'll take a look at the rear. Again, excellent condition. We have ISOFIX for children's car seats. This vehicle came to us as part exchange. Before leaving, the vehicle would come with a full service and 12 months MOT.